Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss a new program and this is the practical number 13. So today's program is write a Python program using function to accept a list as parameter and return the sum of all the list elements. So all we have to do is to create a function that will accept the list as parameter and return the sum of all the elements inside the list. So over here we are defining a new function. The name of the function is SumList with a parameter items. Now in the next line we have created a new variable. The name of the variable is SumNumbers and initialize it with 0. So SumNumber is a variable and we have initialized the SumNumber with 0. And in the next line we are using a for loop for x in items. SumNumbers plus equals to x means SumNumber equals to SumNumber plus x, means all it will do, it will provide the sum of all the list elements. Now we are returning the SumNumbers. And next in the next line SumList, over here we are providing the parameter, and the parameter is 1, 23, -8. So let's see what output it will provide. So this is our Python IDE and I have already written the program and save it. Now I will go to the run module and in the output screen it will show the answer. So all you have to do is to write this program in your copy. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next practical class.